Hi, welcome to ICT 2021 in Egypt. My name is Mike Burgess. I'm the EMEA Sales Manager for TAKEX Europe Limited. TAKEX is the original manufacturer of active infrared point-to-point beams and passive infrared detectors. We've been manufacturing these products for over 60 years, and for the last 10 years I've been working with I&R Egypt in Cairo as my main distributor here. We specialize in external detection, using, as I've said, the point-to-point beams, which give you a lattice of 16 beams between a transmitter and a receiver, which will cover up to 200 meters. And the other side of the business we have is the passive infrared detectors. Trying to do passive infrared detection outside is usually very difficult, so we have some specially designed detectors which will stop you having the problems with animals, with birds, and all of the problems usually associated with external detection. Products are designed to work with anybody's panel, so here we have a lot of the Jablotron products on the I&R stand. We also will put into Honeywell panels, into anybody's panel that you need. They're standard, normally open, normally closed switches, so they will work with anything. Thanks for your time. Please come down if you're in the area and we'll talk about it, see if we can help you out.